Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll show you how to use your voice in Suno AI. Turn your voice into a song. First, open Chrome on your computer and search for Suno AI. After setting it up, log into your account. You'll see several options such as Home, Create, Library, Search, Radio, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Create, and then select the audio option. If you want to upload a file, click on Upload. For example, let's say you have two recordings and you want to upload one. Select the recording, wait for it to finish uploading, and then click Continue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another Internet Guru. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.